Yes, I don't come Benin again. I need to carry share so that those people in the back will hear me because I dey talk small small well well. I wan start by saying nobody go make me go fire. Nothing concern how I no care wetin you write for your motto or the way you decide to live your life. You cannot make me go to hellfire. Because some people go write God is good for their motto. They go dey drive for road. Then I go mistakenly, e go be like say I dey insult God and say you God is good, you dey drive anyhow. You dey drive and you God is good. Now I come dey use my own mouth dey say I hate God is good. That thing, una no go let me go hellfire because of that thing. No, not be joke. How you go write God is good for and your driver dey drive? Then you go be like say we dey insult God. God is good, you dey misbehave well well o. God go help us. So me, I don discover say anytime that thing happen, if I just see you, I just say you driver, I don't know who you dey drive for. Just drive well. Drive well, you no go let me sin against God. People wey die for abroad, when they don die for abroad finish. In fact, before they die for abroad, they go dey there spend their money, they go club. Then if they don die finish, they go carry them for aeroplane, carry them come Nigeria, come bury. Na Nigeria be burial ground. Na so their life dey be. One man die, then they carry am, they put am for aeroplane, e dey come. Now, when you dey aeroplane, if you don die, if they carry you, you no go even feel anything. When they carry the man sleep well. They carry am from London reach Lagos. But na worry they wan bury the man. So they come put am for ambulance. Now they need to enter road. We dey front. Not be say we dey the convoy, we dey front, they drive. The ambulance, they follow us. We go drive, go, ambulance go drive, overtake us. We go drive past ambulance, ambulance go overtake us with the dead body. Na so we just dey run for a road. We reach Oremo, we eat. As we stop, make we eat. The ambulance sef stop, may they eat. So all of us all go eat finish. They just leave only the dead body for the ambulance. So hungry call they beat the dead body for them. So as hungry they beat am, small time the casket call they open small, they open small. So I cause they surprise. When they make casket they open, now I go the back. I can't see the man doing hand like this. So now I find banana and granola, now I give am. So he call close the casket. So he call the shopper. So as we finish now, some more they go. We see they go. Pam. Now when we reach bypass here, gallop too much. So we don't pass. So now I just see my look back. The ambulance. Now so he bend the tire. So the body cause he say he won't fall. Now he won't fall. So he call bring the hand, come outside, call put in and make the casket no go fall for ground. So the idiot, men are listening, I mean are the listening man. So the idiot guy where they drive the ambulance, see the driver and they go, the driver. So the guy gonna say, may you not go injure for this. So when they reach Ologo, about 4 caskets, don't get accident for them. So those caskets they corner. So as this guy reach, they come seeing people, now he just made a drop him. So the 4 dead body call they discuss, they talk to each other, say, yeah, they won't bury him. One say now me, they won't bury him. Say, but why you come past this other road? So one of the dead body come say, okay, may they enter Ologo River, may they swim small. So I go waka live now. They tell now what happen now. So as the dead body jump enter river, they swim. Tilapia, because tilapia know who don't die. So tilapia can see say this guy don't die, he don't die. So tilapia can go their kingdom, go tell Scubia. You know that Scubia. So they can say what they will do now. Men are wait now. Okay, man, not talk again. Okay, now man talk this one I want to talk. Now no allow me finish that story. So man talk another one because now that they say na lie. Man talk this one I want talk now true. For where they stay, two fence where they near each other. One fence is like this, another fence is like so. This other fence, the verse for this compound fence. So you can't go peace for the oga body. So I see peace for the oga body. This other fence, that one not they wear bossa. Not they wear anything, they naked well. So any fence where they put barbed wire like this, that kind of fence, they get hit period well. So now the fence, because say you peace on my oga body, your oga go come today, you see. So we not even know say the fence they fight each other. Say. So as I just they come, you see how they peace for all my. And if you see the way the fence stay the peace, oh God. If fence like the other fence get malaria, so in peace now yellow peace, not be clean peace like that. So the fence called peace against this fence. Like this our fence called scatter. So as our fence scatter, one guy will be saying work now to thief foundation. That ain't just go thief foundation. So the guy thief foundation, he can't leave our well for the foundation. So our well because our well guy baby saloon. This is our. What did they do this people? See people, no, not spray. Oh yeah, if you only you pick her. See the worst wickedness, and I even 100 naira. So our dog get muzzle poo. That is. When I talk this one. So we they tell the dog, me pursue thief. Now mama come say pikin not well. So we they force and pursue. Now the dog run. So muzzle poo can hold the dog. So as muzzle poo hold her, because female dog, if muzzle poo hold them, they feel they do fasting and prayer. So as muzzle poo hold her, the mama can say, because now he tell us say this in dog, muzzle poo go hold her. When I go alarm me, so now he calls me my landlord, because my landlord dey road, in shadow they long way. So now he calls me my landlord dey road. So my landlord called dey road. So as he dey road, they wait for the dog. General hospital we say they want to do operation. Men and wait, this one happen. I mean and wait this one. I know they lie to men and wait. Why people they talk since now when I make noise like this? Men and wait, man talk. So general hospital we say, no, say all this our doctor they sabi, they don't like no they do general hospital. So one doctor they may go do operation. So the operation they may do, he don't carry this one do the operation, I never cause his line. And he wear face cap. The man, so as they do this, I don't tear the person below. He could just say, okay, since when they go like and they go like and may they try sew the belly. He can't mistakenly go sew face cap inside the belly. That he don't forget. So later I got the find face cap. When he face cap, he not see him. And that man when he sewing face cap inside, the man don't know say something in belly, but the man don't know. So rain can't start to the fall. The man can say, I want to do now. So he can't remove the face cap till cover his head. So doctor come pursue and say go do another operation. And the doctor they smoke. He can't forget cigar for his belly. So anywhere the man go smoke go the full and smoke go the full and smoke go the full and. So they can say they go carry that guy go general operation. Because for the general operation, if they do operation, they'll put two carburetor. They'll put carburetor for your belly. So that for the overheating, the carburetor go they turn and now generator now. So if they're on your belly, you go they live boom boom. I go here today. I don't even know what they talk. So when I just pay money to say people go come talk normal, God forbid. Me, I plan I call rubbish now I want to talk to them. No one I go understand, no one. All this one while they talk, they now light one. If the other one won't talk now hear what do. So last week, when I went, now this thing they will show up for Hit TV, so that my performance will see good for it. Because now they try me anyhow, I know they understand. If I the perform, people will see they don't understand, and they try my best to make more now understand. So till they pay me well. So one guy open WhatsApp group. So the WhatsApp group we open, say they call the add people. We don't see one guy they sell casket for the WhatsApp group. So the guy they sell casket for WhatsApp group. They just like say person they sick, he go post casket. So we say, so that guy they do casket so now in family take the test the casket before they do it. So his wife go sleep inside, he go measure am. Now the wife got travel for Christmas, nobody to use. Because they find person for the group chat say anybody dey when you go fit measure in casket. Because say they don't get anybody they go use. So he come the WhatsApp group. So as he come the WhatsApp, he they look around the WhatsApp group, they check them. So normally if they check WhatsApp group, you see millipede. Millipede they say akara for inside. So the millipede where they say akara, so 4 akara. So the akara for the street. Because my street for worry the pool cutting. So I know they go anywhere now. More they laugh together. Wicked people. Wait, DJ. Oh, but you wait to. That means your own now can't disturb you. Don't wait to. They give everybody time. Oh. You leave a man come here now. You go read this and one answer. They go now. I'll soon finish. Okay. GT Bank go borrow money for. Men are well. Wait. When they say man they go, they give people for 500 clips since nobody don't give me that same. I know they go anywhere. Now they laugh. They man go like that. So GT Bank as he go borrow money for Wema Bank. So Wema Bank can say no. Say they no give them. Say they don't they allow them because they share the safe. Say they don't allow them fetch water for their well. So. Until now, stop me with money, I know they go. Cambodia, oh yeah, you give me money now. What's it now? Bros. Who be that now? Stop now. Why you they waste this thing now? Just bring her come gently. Okay, man, talk this last one, man, they go. For one hospital, abortion line, ain't the long pass. So people will get a little different. Now 3 people just say we get abortion on the long. So as the doctor where they do abortion, so in the way they do, in the hand in the shoe for them. So as he shook in hand, got the season and boom in the toy. So what happened? You say the pikin, they show boom before they get in belly. So like call just they do it like that gently no do. So the guy where they barb hair, not spray now, just drop am yeah. Ew, God. When I drop am, I won't go now. Who be this one? Ooh, this guy. No, give me your. Thank you. I won't go now, DJ. Thank you. Why stop now? Hey, see this place, you don't tip my money, oh. Porcupine, don't tip. Ah, wow. All the married men here, we now don't leave our girlfriend. Next year, we will face our wife. I bet me pack this one. Help me pack her here, do. We are help me stretch her. I know they go. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mr. Paul.